Alright guys, I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you, because this could literally change the way you see YouTube forever. Take a look at this unique channel called Glor60. This channel focuses on geography, but not in the boring way you learned it in school. They use world maps, animation, and storytelling to bring geography to life. Now here's the shocking part. Every single one of their videos is exploding with views. I'm talking about numbers like 7.9 million views on one video, 8.1 million on another, 4.4 million on the next, and then straight back to 8.5 million and 8.1 million. Guys, if you scroll down their channel, you'll notice something incredible. Almost every single video has over 1 million views. That's insane consistency, and it proves that this niche works. Now let's move on to another channel that's absolutely dominating this space, GeoGlobeTales. Honestly, this one might be the best so far. Their videos aren't just hitting millions, they're pulling in tens of millions of views. We're talking about 46 million, 36 million, 39 million, 33 million, 37 million, and the list goes on. Even their so-called lower performing videos still rack up between 5 and 6 million views like it's nothing. That should tell you something. This isn't a lucky break. This is a proven system that people are hungry for. Geography, storytelling, and animation is a powerful combo. Now, here's what most people don't realize. When you look at these animations, you might think they're using Adobe After Effects or some advanced editing tools. Normally, yes, that's exactly what you'd need. You'd have to spend hours designing, animating, and polishing just one video. But here's the truth. Not everyone has the time or skills to master After Effects. And that's where things get interesting, because I'm about to show you how you can create these same kinds of videos without any editing, without After Effects, and without spending endless hours trying to figure things out. Instead, you'll be able to do it with AI, and in some cases, entirely for free. Just imagine this for a moment. You see a trending story, like Elon Musk buying Twitter, now rebranded as X. Normally, it would take you hours to make an animated video covering the story. But with the AI tool I'm about to reveal, you can generate an animation about Elon Musk and Twitter in seconds, using nothing more than a text prompt. Take another example. Countries like Greece, Turkey, Spain, and Egypt. Animating a detailed comparison or history video about them would have taken hours, sometimes days, if you were working manually. But now, with AI, you can create that same type of video in just minutes. Or think about a trading app normally. Creating professional-level animations to explain how it works would require hiring designers and editors. But AI can do it instantly for you. That's why I keep saying, AI is changing the world, and those who adapt early will reap the benefits. To prove that the geography niche is massively yielding huge amount of money from ad revenue, the numbers speaks for itself. According to Social Blade, channels like these are earning anywhere from $4,500 to $72,000 per month in ad revenue alone. Some are pulling in $4,000 to $64,000, others $2,000 to $33,000. And that's not even counting sponsorships, affiliate deals, or digital products they could be selling alongside. This is proof that the niche isn't just popular, it's profitable. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional editor, animator, or even a geography expert. With the AI tools I'll show you, you'll be able to lift the burden completely and let the technology do the heavy lifting. So here's the bottom line, guys. If you've ever wanted to get into YouTube but felt overwhelmed by editing or didn't know where to start, this is your moment. I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can create these exact types of videos using AI tools, no After Effects, no complicated editing, just smart, simple strategies that anyone can follow. Let's dive in. So the name of the AI tool I've been talking about is called Hera, and if you've followed me up to this point, then consider yourself a hero, because now you have the opportunity to discover what you can actually do with this amazing AI tool and exactly how you can go about it. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's your way of saying thank you for this little piece of knowledge I'm sharing with you today. Now, Hera was designed to give users a high degree of control whether you prefer prompting or making manual edits. The beauty of Hera is that it comes with numerous templates you can instantly use for your motion graphics, editing projects, or content creation. To begin creating something unique, all you need to do is click the Create button at the top left-hand corner. Once the AI launches, you'll see a text box where you can enter your prompts. From there, you also have the option to upload an image, import audio, video, fonts, or even CSV data. Let's take a quick look at some options. You'll find infographics, text animations, social media assets, and even art templates. Once you click on any of these, Hera will instantly bring up a prompt field for you to work with. I won't be diving into those just yet, I just wanted to show you how seamless it is. At the top, you can also adjust your aspect ratio depending on your needs and select the duration of your video in seconds. Another amazing thing about Hera is that you can create 10 free motion graphics with just a free account. So even if you don't want to commit to the paid plan, you can still test it out with those 10 free videos. And if you'd like to go premium, feel free to use the link in the description, you won't regret it. Now, let's actually try creating a video, similar to the geography video I showed you earlier, using maps. You can decide to use a template, and if you want, first click on a template, and then click Use this template, and then a text box will open for you to place your prompt. It's as simple as that, but I will be using just prompts to show you how this works. Here's what I did. I went to ChatGPT and asked it to generate content about the provinces of Canada using short sentences. ChatGPT generated a great write-up for me, and next I asked it to showcase a pictorial view of the provinces, from the richest to the poorest, and ChatGPT also provided a pictorial graph view in the form of a bar chart, showcasing the richest to the poorest provinces in Canada. That gave me a map, which I downloaded because we'll be using it in just a moment. Back in Hera, I clicked Create, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and chose a video length of 10 seconds, though you can select any duration you prefer. Then I pasted in the prompt. After just a few moments, Hera generated the video animation exactly as requested. As you can see, it produced two highlighted provinces, Ontario and British Columbia. What's even more interesting is that you can click to edit the text if you'd like to change the names of the provinces or states. You can also adjust the colors, extend the duration, and even modify the map style, for example, switching to a street view or another design option. If you prefer working directly with templates, the process is just as simple. From there, I decided to explore another set of templates under infographics. I chose a particular design, clicked Use this template, and then uploaded the image that ChatGPT had generated earlier, and then dropped the following prompt in the text box. After clicking to generate, Hera produced a beautiful animated infographic of Canadian provinces ranked by GDP from the richest to the poorest. It was exactly what I needed. The final step was simply to click the export button, choose my preferred format, and download the animation. So you can clearly see how exceptional this AI tool is. With just a short prompt and a few clicks, we were able to generate animated maps, infographics, and motion graphics that would normally take hours to design manually. Hera makes it fast, easy, and fun. So here's what I did with ChatGPT. I copied the first write-up about Ontario and pasted it into my Google Doc. Then I did the same with the one about British Columbia, copied it, and added it to the same document. I asked ChatGPT to generate a 10-second script about the map, which I also pasted into my Google Doc. Once everything was in place, I edited the text, refined it a bit, and then copied the final version. The next step was to move over to Minimax Audio, where I generated the voiceover. All I had to do was paste the edited script into the text box. From there, you can explore the different voices available in the library. There are many to choose from depending on the style you want. After selecting a voice, I clicked the Generate button. At first, the playback seemed a little too slow, so I adjusted the speed settings to make it sound more natural. Once satisfied, I clicked the Download button, and just like that, my voiceover was ready. After generating the voiceover, the next step was video editing. For that, I headed over to CapCut. Inside CapCut, I uploaded both my videos and the voiceover file. I started by dragging the voiceover into the timeline and increasing the volume to make sure it was clear. Then, I dragged in the first video clip for Ontario, adjusted it to fit properly, and trimmed it as needed. I also did the same for British Columbia. Once I was done combining Ontario and British Columbia, the video was practically ready. I also dragged the second video describing the richest and poorest provinces in Canada and placed it to fit the voiceover respectively. At this stage, you can choose to add background music if you'd like. It's completely optional. Personally, I think background sound makes the video feel more polished, so I added one. You can easily get background tracks from sources like Musicful AI or other music platforms. Finally, with everything set, I clicked the export button. It's always best to export your video in 4 Kelvin or 8 Kelvin resolution to maintain the highest quality, especially if you plan to upload it to YouTube or other platforms. And that's it, our video is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to use the link in the description to subscribe to this amazing AI tool. It's truly going to transform your content creation forever.